Indeed, the final score here at the F&B Stadium for Orlando Pirates, who are for a fifth time running in the league, have beaten Orlando Pirates, their best run in the PSL era in that regard. And while it was indeed the forwards that found the back of the net, the man standing alongside me, the man of the match this afternoon, made a huge difference both offensively and defensively. His name is Gamo Sibilibele. He is the man of the match. Congratulations, great performance today. What do you think made the difference then, going to a game like this? You score early, you score late, in between, Pirates dominate.
We came here thinking that we want to win the game. The goal early. Plan goal number 1, first 15 minutes. And the next is because of Rebuya lose that game today. But kubegile machita head up ra focus go game le no rinka win focus go game latela.
How important then was it for team to then respond to Tonadi defeat States 8-2?
Obviously Ronaldo goal tsenya go di achieve game e important, 3 points important. It all two so ya pele because of renya go win a league. Yeah, 3 points here lebo mdimo for yon. And
when Naka performance out today, how happy are you that right flank you were very much on top of anything that was thrown at you?
Okay, happy ahulu. First win at derby, plus man of the match, bonus modim. And obvious performance are in a real match sharp. But obviously the supporter trying to motivate disari we some more. We need a supporter without the one are next.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
And he says that the support of the fans, who it's fair to say were a little hard perhaps on Orlando Pirates over the last week or so, they certainly need that support. They gave them plenty to be happy about this afternoon here at the F&B Stadium, winning by 3-0, and perhaps rewriting the wrongs of that Nedbank Cup final. The biggest talking point, though, is that it's a win that keeps Orlando Pirates in the hunt for the Betway Premiership title. So I'm going to be joined now by the winning coach this afternoon, a man who I'm sure is delighted with what he's seen through the 90 minutes. Coach Abdeslam Wadi. Coach, thank you very much for your time. Is it fair to say that from start to finish, Orlando Pirates were very much the better side today?
Yeah, I think my boys, I'm very proud about my boys today. We started the game exactly like we wanted. We wanted to put high pressure and try to score early. That's what helped us to bring this game easier. It was a difficult 2 weeks, 3 weeks, after the 2 lost, and I think they give us a fantastic answer for this derby, and I'm very proud of them, and we have to keep going like that.
Yeah, it was very easy to sort of note there was great intent with the players from the very start. At halftime, you go in, you've got a handy cushion. What was then the message going into the second half? And I ask this because you have in recent weeks asked for this side to be able or to get better at managing games and killing them off.
Yeah, it was the target. We have prepared this derby very well. The guys wanted really to show a great image, a great qualities of Orlando Pirates front our fans. We wanted to make them happy. We wanted to keep the high level of football that we have showed in the second half. We just make some slight changes, tactical changes, because we had this problem in the half space from the opponent, and we have the left winger that tried to overload on the side. And the boys, they really answered well. And what a great character, what a great personality of the boys. And I'm a happy coach tonight.
Is it the result or is it the performance that pleases you most about today?
Sorry?
Is it the result or the performance that pleases you most about today?
Both of them. The quality of the game that they played, from the aim to control the ball in the middle, the aim to build from the back and to find the progression with the midfielders, and the finishing. The finishing was fantastic. We were very efficient today. I was a little bit hard with them last 3 weeks because we were not finishing the auction, and really they give me a great answer today because we were very efficient. And let's hope to continue like that until the end of the season.
Before I let you go, Coach, we also noted that in terms of your arrival today, you were much earlier in arriving at the venue than your opponents. Is there something to that?
Yeah, we wanted to arrive earlier because it's very important. We didn't want to face any problem of traffic or any inconvenience. So it was really an important game for us. It was really important to win that game. And to win that game, you need to be prepared well, to arrive in advance, to be focused, because it's more emotional, more focused, and we wanted really to put the players in the right environment, the right condition to start that game. Because Soweto Derby, you have to prepare it well.
One more question, Coach. As far as the standards you're going to be asking of your players and your team in trying to then approach this last bend of this title race, how good a performance was that?
No, I think I said at the beginning that a good result will really boost us in terms of confidence. You know that we came from two lose. We lost against the Sundown. We went out from the Nedbank Cup. So it was important to win today, to bring back the confidence, the trust for us and for the fans as well.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
That is Coach Abdeslam Wadu. Yes, as you would have noted, they did arrive much earlier than Kaizer Chiefs this afternoon ahead of kickoff. Perhaps there was indeed something to that. His opposite number now, Coach Cedric Kaizer. Coach, thank you very much for joining me. How do you best describe what you saw from Kaizer Chiefs today?
I believe that the opponent deserved. They deserved the win. We were nowhere near them, and it's the first 4 or 5 minutes we conceded a goal on a short corner. That maybe took a toll on how we wanted to start the game. I feel like in second half we came with better intentions, with better ideas. But as well, the opponents used tricks in the first 15 minutes. Every minute falling down, and that took our energy down too. And after that, the third goal, Miguel is out. We are one man down, and we don't manage well the moment. And I think that it's a big disappointment. But we still have 13 games to go. We need to keep our heads up. It's a very difficult pill to swallow, but we need to swallow it and go back to the training field and work more.
Going into half-time then, Coach, you are 2-0 down. You haven't really laid a hand on them. So what had you said then to your charges before making the two changes coming into that second half?
I feel like in the first half we were losing too much duels. We were late on every challenge. We were missing easy passes. But at halftime we said that now we have to play with more character. We have to play with more aggression. We have to get there and press and believe that we can do something. The intentions were good in the first 15 minutes, as I said. Then the film of the game went a little bit backwards, and it's a game we need to forget very quickly and concentrate on the next one.
You're up at Richards Bay then on Tuesday, if I'm not mistaken, or Wednesday. Tuesday, if I am correct. In terms of turnaround, not too much time. What is the first thing then that you feel is important to share with the boys as they're waiting for you in the change room right now?
The first thing to share with them is to show them that the millions of fans are behind them. The only way to redeem ourselves is to go pick up points in our next games, and there is no other way. There is no other way. Go and on the next games we need to pick up points, to give back to the fans that always support us. And as time goes, then everyone will heal from today.
All the best for Tuesday.
Thank you very much.
Coach Cedric Kaizer, certainly dejected.